So welcome friends, Desert Safari Dubai. So as I told you earlier in my video, तो हम फाइनली जो है डेजर्ट सफारी में पहुंच चुके हैं. We have reached to the desert safari where camel ride was included in the package. They were just issued this pass to us. This is from Sky Tours. Just zoom it clearly. Sky Tours. Now okay, this is Sky Tours. So in this package जो था हमारा camel ride was included, 4x4 Land Cruiser drive was included, dinner include है और वैली डांस जो है वो इंक्लूड है, बारबिक डिनर इंक्लूड है, वेज और नॉन वेज जो भी आप चाहते हो वो सारा इंक्लूड है. सो तो जस्ट आई वांट टू जस्ट शो यू एक बात मैं आपको बता दूं, वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट द बाइक राइड इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस. यू हैव टू पे इफ़ यू आर बुकिंग ऑनलाइन, then you have to pay 50 dirham plus 50 dirham per each person, and if you are paying on the spot then you have to pay a large amount, that is 100 dirham per adult. So I advise you, if you are interested to do the biking, then you must book with your package. That will good for you, but you must try that. That's fine. So आप देख सकते हो, just show the view and I am showing you the location. Yes, and I am showing you the location where all the arrangements has been made. जो जहाँ पे बनाया गया है, जो उन्होंने तैयार किया है वो आपके सामने है. वो देखो वहाँ पे सीटिंग का अरेंजमेंट है, खाने का है, डांस का वो जो रात को होगा, ये सभी कुछ ऐसा है. दैट इज़ लाइक अ बाइकिंग. That is very nice thing. So this was the shoot in Desert Safari Dubai. I was booked it from Sky. I already told you, I have shown the pass. 55 dirham में ये बुक होती है. अगर आप ऑनलाइन करते हो 65 में भी करते हैं. कई जगह अलग अलग स्पॉट्स बनाए हुए हैं. They have made the different type of spots. They have made the different type of spots for this. So as per your convenience, whatever you like, you book it. Thank you very much.
A few moments later.
This is inside the Desert Safari where they have arranged everything like bananas, your buffet dinner. Actually we have paid 50 dirhams more per person to get the VIP treatment. If you want to not serve by yourself the food, then you have to pay 50 dirham per person. We have already paid that. And the main attraction in this small place is you can get everything here. You will find a beer bar, and you want to see that? That is a beer bar, you know?
My favorite.
That is a beer bar inside. And if you want to get anything you want to buy, like food, everything is available. They are providing a shisha. If you want to pay 50 dirhams more, then you can get it early. Otherwise it will be started after 5:30 or 7:30 p.m. So that is also one of the option. Means every option is available if you are spending money. That's all. You pay more, you get more. This is the main thing. But we have just taken only the food, little bit snacks, cold drink. I mean they are providing the khajurs, cold drink, coffee, tea, unlimited. Up to until the food is not ready and not ready to serve, until only up to that. Otherwise buffet will be arranged after 5:30. It's like that. ये है हमारे खुदा बख्श.
बस वो उधर नहीं जाना.
ये है हमारे खुदा बख्श. तो ये जो हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ये हमें कुछ इतना लगा नहीं, क्योंकि आप हर एक चीज़ पे करो. अगर why they are sending you, why they are bringing you early if they are not providing anything? You must be in time. whenever the buffet will be starts, you must be entering inside that. It should be like that. But because they just want to earn the money, so they are bringing everybody before 2 hours, so that they should eat or take something. So, and the lot more money will be earned. This is the, as I have experienced this. This is my thinking. But maybe some experience, some people have other experience also. But I have that. My friend, give me one coffee more, black coffee. You want tea? No. Thank you.
A few moments later.